Welcome to Rescheck.info, the world's #1 source for high quality, low cost, fast turnaround Rescheck reports. Get your Rescheck started now. This post was brought to you by the Rescheckspert blog, the web's #1 blog and resource on Reschecks, green homes, insulation, building components, and energy efficiency. Today we want to talk to you about what is an energy truss in Rescheck. What is an energy truss in Rescheck? A raised hill or energy truss? Rescheck. Rescheck is an amazing system that allows all parties involved in new home construction project to have one solid game plan. For the man drawing your blueprints to the guy holding the staple gun, the Rescheck report is what you need to make sure your home is insulated correctly, then built with the proper components. One question we had multiple times today in our live Rescheck help chat was, what is considered an Rescheck energy truss? So we will attempt to answer that for everyone since it's a Rescheck frequently asked question. An energy truss can also be called a raised hill truss. If you are not asking your conventional truss manufacturer to manufacture your trusses like this, then chances are you're missing out on a big detail. The amazing part about this detail is that typically all you have to do is ask. Your conventional truss system can be more efficient for zero additional charge in most cases. The webbing on the inside of the truss will change to allow full insulation on the hill of the truss, but little else material-wise. If you use Rescheck.info for your Rescheck energy report, we'll point out items of value like this to you free of charge. Basically, to get credit in the Rescheck energy audit as a raised heel truss or energy truss, you need to have the heel of the truss high enough so that you can install the full width of insulation in the area over the wall system. Many scissor trusses can accomplish this too. If this sounds like mumbo jumbo to you, then it's possible that your Rescheck report might be best handled by us. We can take the time to review your truss system in depth. This way we can see if your truss system qualifies as an energy truss and how much value you might derive from this option. Helping people complete their Reschecks when they need assistance and showing first-time users of Rescheck the correct way to use the features is our mission. Every day we talk to distraught homeowners who have literally spent days struggling with the software. If you have a question about your Rescheck report or any component in the Rescheck energy audit, feel free to send us an email any time of day at service@rescheck.info. Equally, if you're tired of fooling with it and want the pros at rescheck.info to handle your Rescheck, call us. We can have your report ready for submission most time the same day in 24 hours guaranteed. We know the difference between a regular truss and an energy truss, and we can tell you where you can add extra insulation to your home at zero additional cost. If you have found an interesting energy truss design, feel free to share it with us on Tumblr, Blogger, Google+, Who's, Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter. If you're ready to book your Rescheck report, go up, click the Buy Now button, go down to the Buy Now tab, click that. We'll have your report done quickly. Thank you for listening.